Commenting on Digg stories allows you to share your opinion and see what other users in the Digg community have to say about articles, videos, and images. Make sure you're logged in, and then click on the article you wish to comment on. Here, you can read other users' comments. You can view them in an expanded view or a collapsed view. You can also choose to only view your responses or your friends. If you want to comment about another user's comment about the story, then you can click on Reply underneath it. This will create a thread under this comment so people will know what the conversation is all about. If you like a comment, you can dig a comment up by clicking on the green thumb up, or you can dig it down by clicking on the red thumbs down. You can then filter these comments by the oldest first, newest, controversial, or most dug. That's where the digging comments up or down comes in. You can also choose to hide profanity. When you want to comment on the article itself, just go all the way down to the bottom of the comments and write your entry in here. Then enter in the security code and click on Save Comment. You'll have 5 minutes to be able to go back and edit it. You'll find all of your commented on articles in your profile, so you'll always be able to go back and find them. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Digg 101 series.